שלום חברים, היום אנחנו בקליפ מאוד מאוד מיוחד. למה? אני נמצא כרגע במפעל, כאן, אי שם, באטלנטה, בג'ורג'יה, בחברת כמיקלס. לצידי יש פה שניים שלא מבינים מילה ממה שאני אומר. I tell them that you don't understand even word what I'm saying.
Very true.
והראשון הוא ניל, שהוא המנכ"ל של החברה, של החומרים שאתם משתמשים, של הבום, סקאנק, קוטניזי,
Grease breaker.
גריס ברקר, כל החומרים שאתם רגילים להשתמש. הנה האנשים שמאחורי המוצרים, המנכ"ל ניל מילר, ויש לנו את חסן שהוא הכימאי הראשי כאן בחברה. Just a few words to our customers in Israel, that carpet and upholstery cleaners.
Sure.
There's yours.
Very nice to be here with you guys today. My name is Neil Miller with Harvard Chemical. I've been with the company here for 12 years now. We make cleaning products here in the United States. We have Harvard brand, but we also do private brand like we do for Isaac. We manufacture custom products for specific needs, and so we take great pride and we have fun doing that. That's one of the fun parts of the business, is to be able to create custom products, custom solutions. And of course, with Isaac being from Israel, some of the challenges there in Israel are different from the challenges here in the United States. I can't take any credit for that. I do sales, marketing. I currently run the company, but before me, Mr. Hassan, he was here for 20 plus years before me, and he is the brains behind most of all these formulas that we make. And when we have challenges like that, we work on it, but Mr. Hassan is the one that actually does a lot of the formulations and comes up with a lot of these products. And for us, it's great joy to be able to create a new product that's successful for our clients and to see them go out there and have success in the industry. And so very nice to meet you, Isaac, in person. We've been working with Isaac for probably going on 4 years now. Yeah. And slowly we've developed some of these products, not always on the first shot. It takes sometimes it takes testing, tweaking, but that's all part of it. So we want to perfect what we do. And so with the help of the testing from Isaac and his challenges in Israel.
For upholstery cleaning, especially for upholstery cleaning. Especially
for upholstery cleaning, we've been able to formulate some of these products that we feel like are custom for his application. So not something off the shelf. These are actually products that we designed to specifically work for these soils and different conditions out in the field. So Mr. Hassan actually was the general manager here since '99, right?
Yes. He's the chef.
He's the chef. So anyway, Harvard Chemical was sold in 2017 to Simonize USA. They're big here in the United States in car wash and also in janitorial. Harvard, we also do janitorial and carpet cleaning products. Really any kind of cleaning and maintenance products we can do. But Hassan was before me, and he's the guy that formulates most everything. So I'll turn it over to Mr. Hassan.
Yes, Harvard Chemicals has been in the carpet and upholstery cleaning business for a long time. As a matter of fact, Harvard Chemicals was the first stain remover with the heat transfer.
Yeah,
that goes back to stain off.
Stain off.
That was
the red one?
Yes. With the heat transfer.
Yeah.
So like here in the United States, Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid, yeah. It's for red colors.
Red colors.
Wow.
We go back all the way to those days. We were the first one who came up with that Kool-Aid remover with the heat transfer. And product name was stain off.
Wow.
So my point is, with the history of Harvard Chemicals in carpet and upholstery, we go back a long time ago. We were kind of a company behind the scenes because we made a lot of private label products for other distributors, other users, and maybe people don't recognize Harvard Chemicals, but we are the guys behind the scenes that make it, even for some recognized names out there, we make products. So that's the history of the Harvard Chemicals in carpet and upholstery business.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
בואו נלך עכשיו לראות את רצפת הייצור, תראו איך עושים את החומרים שלנו וחומרים של אחרים, תראו איך זה נראה. אז כמו שאמרתי חברים, אנחנו שולטים בכל תהליך הייצור של החומרים שלנו. להבדיל מהמתחרים שיש על המדף את הבקבוק as is כמו שהוא, ראיתם את הכימאי, איך אנחנו מבקשים דברים שהם ספציפי לשיפור החומרים שאנחנו מתמודדים איתם בשטח, אוקיי? אז מדהים. בשבילי להראות לכם את הסרטון הזה מכאן, מהמפעל באטלנטה בג'ורג'יה, זה חלום, להראות לכם מאיפה הכל מתחיל. לשמוע את כל הרעש הזה של הייצור, של הצלילים, של המילוי, של החומרים. חברים, אותי זה מרגש בכל מקרה.
As it passes through that machine right there, it heats it up, and then yes. And then from here, it gets boxed, and it goes through the tape machine, and then it gets stacked at the end there, the finished product. We make pallets of product.
הייצור כמו שאתם רואים, זה עובר לשלב של הקופסאות, ישר למשטחים, מהמשטחים, אתם כבר ראיתם את זה אצלנו ברחוב משה לוי 14, בראשון לציון, איך המשטחים מגיעים אלינו מכאן, אטלנטה, ג'ורג'יה. כאן ממלאים את הדליים שאתם קונים, הדליים של הבום, של ה-10 קילו וה-18 קילו. הנה הם מתמלאים פה חבר'ה. זה דלי של 18 קילו. וואו, 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 וואו. תעמוד, תעמוד.
Hey, this is Johnny Walker. This is Isaac. He's from Israel.
Johnny Walker.
Johnny Walker, yes.
Not the...
Yeah, like the whiskey.
Like the whiskey.
Right, right. So Johnny does our bulk fill. So he does all the drums, pails. Johnny's been with us for what, 7 years, 8 years?
Wow, when he
10 years. Yeah. Johnny's been with us 10 years.
When he was 7 years old.
And that's Perry. Hey Perry. He just joined us in the bulk fill area. So
Why he's hiding there?
He's hiding. He's smart.
He's smart.
Yes. He hides from the boss, right? No. How you feeling, by the way? Okay, good. Perry, he recently had COVID, so he 2 weeks ago. So he's
okay.
Yeah. So liquid. Every liquid formulation is a blend. It's a blend of different ingredients. A lot of the basic building blocks, they come in totes like this. So when they need to make a batch, they go pick up the tote, they take it to the tank, they either pour it into the top or they hook a hose to it and they have it on a scale, so it's weighed. So every formula has a batch ticket and it's got a weight, it's got a percentage. It's just like making a cake. You just have to go by exact weight, and then that creates the formula. So this is basically raw materials. These are totes that have raw materials, but they're recyclable, so we send them off for recycling.
I translate. הוא אומר שכל מה שאתם רואים כאן מאחורי זה בעצם חומר גלם, והחומר הגלם הזה זה כמו שאופים עוגה, אז בעוגה יש בדיוק את הכמויות המדויקות שצריך לשים. מכאן לוקחים את החומרים, מערבבים אותם במכונות שהראינו לכם מאחורה, ושם הם מתבקבקים, כמו שראיתם. חברים, כאן זה האבקות.
So this is our powder blenders. We have 2 ribbon blenders right here. So most of the powders start with the basic raw ingredients or powders. They come in bags. So each formula has different raw materials. And so usually those bags will get dumped into the top of the hopper. And inside the machine it's got, we call ribbon. There are tines that actually circulate the powder.
The mix.
Yeah, it mixes it. So it's continually grabbing the product from the edges and circulating it, so in the center of it, it gets mixed uniformly. And then, of course, usually there's always some liquid ingredients to go inside of it. So we add the liquids after the powders have been charged. Usually your surfactants, your fragrances, sometimes your coloring are liquids. So those have to be folded into the batch and then uniformly mixed. And then once it mixes good, we take a sample to the lab where we were just at, and we run our QC tests. And if everything passes, then it goes to the packaging stage. And,
וואו. מוכר לכם?
This is the mixing kettle where we mix liquids. So this will actually, we can do up to 2,400 gallons.
וואו. בגלונים האלה שאתם רואים, פה הם מערבבים את החומרים שלנו, את הסקאנק אאוט, את הזאפית, פבריטק, הכל פה קודם כל מתמלא, מכאן זה עובר לבקבוקים, למילוי, כמו שראיתם. השטח של המקום פה 4,000 מטר, חבר'ה.
Hey, real quick, let's go look at the label. Hey,
אנחנו נכנסים לחדר של המדבקות.
And by the way, they're with Cleantech, the company from Israel.
You know, boom.
Cleantech,
Yes,
boom.
yeah,
boom. Actually, you probably start to see some of those. The grease breaker.
You'll see my picture on the Fabritech. Okay.
Yeah. I got to send that to you, by the way.
Okay.
So anyway, when we get an order like that and we have to print 100, 200, 300 labels, then we get the work order, we send it to the graphics department, and we have 2 printers in-house that basically can print full color, and whatever they need, we can have printed right here on demand.